Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be making like a part one of collecting some seeds of the garlic chives. Um, the, uh, the seeds are basically in the tops here. Usually when they grow up, there's white flowers basically on each, I guess, pod, if you want to call it. I basically just cut the stems off and then basically cut the heads off the stems. And then basically put the heads on the plate here and keep them inside for maybe 2-3 weeks. The part two will basically just be taking the seeds off the tops here. I just want them to dry. They're still a bit green. Usually when they're dried up, they'll become a beige color. Um, Basically, the difference between garlic chives and regular chives is you can see the chives. It's kind of almost like a straw. Whereas the garlic chives, they're more flat, like a piece of grass. And chives, they basically taste like onions, and garlic chives, they basically taste like garlic. Right now, basically, we're just putting the chives and garlic chives in salads, but with the garlic chives, there's a lot of Asian food that it's used for. I guess like for topping off, using it as a topping for soups, and I'm not sure what else at the moment that it's used for, but anyways, I'll get started in collecting the seeds, or at least the tops of the seeds. So basically, I'm just gonna cut from the bottom. I'm cutting from the bottom and the top. Here, I'll basically cut for like about an inch from the top, and I'll put this on the on my plate. So. When I first got these seeds or these plants, I didn't have all this here. I basically just started off with maybe this much here, 2 plants basically, and it basically spread. I guess some of the seeds had dropped off and gone in the soil and spread, and some of the other plants, in the back, I had planted from seed and they got bigger. So. Here's a small one, which I'll still keep. The plants that I did in the back, or that I grew from seeds and I planted in the back, are basically seeds that I had collected from these plants. So, and I had planted some more plants for family. I had given to my brother, my wife's mother, and a few other people. I usually plant the seeds in the spring, or basically before spring comes indoors. And so far, I haven't had any problems with plants. It goes kind of fast collecting the tops or getting the stems. What takes longer, yeah, it goes kind of fast collecting the stems, but what seems to take longer is getting the seeds off the tops in about 2-3 weeks. Over here on the side, I've got some Italian parsley. I'll probably make another video another time about how to basically how to dry them. I've got some drying racks inside. And after they've been dried, they just put them in some mason jars. So I won't keep this video too long. I guess you could basically just, I guess you could sort of get the point of just cutting the stems off, and then just cutting the tops off, and just putting them on the plate, and then bringing them inside to for a few weeks just for the heads to dry off. And when I do the stems here, I basically just put them in compost. So I don't really use them for anything else. So I'll come out with a part 2 of this video in about 2 or 3 weeks. Basically just taking the seeds off the tops here. Usually when they dry up, a lot of the small bulbs here, they open up, and you'll see like a few seeds inside. So I'll talk to you guys and girls soon. Bye. And thanks for watching.